In the sprawling YouTube ecosystem, animal channels quietly fuse charm, curiosity, and culture into a magnet for audiences. A creator pairs cute clips with light science, turning paw shakes into viral moments. Virality here hinges on consistency, community memes, and trusted sponsorships that preserve audience trust long-term. When a pet trend spikes, brands stir, collaborators grow, and a small channel reaches a broader stage. The takeaway is practical. Authentic care plus clever collaborations can translate devotion into enduring influence.